Vishnu Sahasranamam, benefit of reciting Vyavasayo Slokam from Slokam number 42. Vyavasayo Vyavasthanas Samsthanas Sthanado Dhruvaha. Benefit of reciting this slokam is to get higher state in life. For example, if one wants to get next status in life, they can recite this slokam. Example, promotion in office, higher studies. This slokam makes you to do stable action and take stable decisions. Let's see the meaning of this slokam. Vyavasayaha. Lord Vishnu is the one who is a pivot of galaxies. Vyavasthanaha. One who is basis of time divisions. Samsthanaha. One who completes everything in correct time, that is, complete everything with final end. Sthanadaha. One who gives higher status to the devotees. Example, Dhruva. Dhruvaha, one who is stable. There was an interesting story related to the slokam. Let's see it. There was a king named Uttanapada and he is a grandson of Manu. Uttanapada had two wives, Suniti and Suruchi. Dhruva was born to Uttanapada and Suniti. King also had another son named Uttama and he was born to Suruchi. Once when Dhruva was 5 years old, he was sitting on his father's lap. Suruchi, the second wife, was jealous on Dhruva, forcefully pushed from her husband's lap. When Dhruva protested and asked why I could not sit on his lap, Suruchi berated him saying, "Only God can allow you that privilege. Go and ask him." Dhruva's mother Suniti, who is less favorite wife of the king, tried to console her child, but Dhruva was determined to hear his fate from Lord directly. So she gave farewell to her child. Dhruva went to forest and wanted to do meditation. Narada Muni appeared and tried to stop him as he is only 5 years old. But determination of Dhruva was at the extreme level. Astonished sage guided him towards his goal by teaching him mantras to meditate while seeking Lord Vishnu. One mantra effectively used by Dhruva was Om Namo Bhagavate Vasudevaya. Dhruva started his meditation and went for 6 months without food and water. Finally, Lord Vishnu appeared before him by seeing his devotion. Dhruva could not open his eyes as he was merged in his inner vision of Lord Vishnu. Lord adopted a strategy to make inner vision disappear. After that, Dhruva opened his eyes and bowed down to Lord Vishnu. Lord touched Dhruva's right cheek by his divine conch, which makes it to speak. Dhruva poured with beautiful poem praising Lord Vishnu in 12 verses called Dhruvastuti. Lord Vishnu asked him to make a wish. Dhruva asked Vishnu to remember Lord always. Pleased by his devotion, Lord granted Dhruva to attain Dhruvapada, which is called polar star, the state where he would become a celestial body which would not even be touched by Mahapralaya. Dhruva returned to his kingdom and ruled for 36,000 years as a king. After his life, he became a polar star along with the mother, which is called Dhruva Nakshatra or Dhruva star or polar star. In this slokam 42, Sthanadaha means to get higher state in life as like Dhruva. Next name is Dhruvaha for Lord Vishnu, which means stable. As the boy name is Dhruva, he is also stable in his devotion. Lord only not be stable, but he also makes his devotees stable in their actions and the decisions. Let's recite this slokam whenever, wherever possible. Vyavasayo vyavasthanas samsthanasthanado druvah. 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 व्यवसायो व्यवस्थानः संस्थानस्तानदो ध्रुवः। 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 व्यवसायो व्यवस्थानः संस्थानस्तानदो ध्रुवः 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 व्यवसायो व्यवस्थानः व्यवसायो व्यवस्थानः संस्थानस्तानदो ध्रुवः 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 व्यवसायो व्यवस्थानः संस्थानस्तान व्यवसायो व्यवस्थानः संस्थानस्तानदो ध्रुवः व्यवसायो व्यवस्थानः संस्थानस्तानदो ध्रुवः व्यवसायो व्यवस्थानः संस्थानस्तानदो ध्रुवः